the advantages is in the first glance, it looks that you have everything under control. And also, if you show this to management, it looks nice. Disadvantages is that the critical path is changing every minute, I want to say, because in terms of a project which is doing this innovation, you have a lot of uncertainties, a lot of things you cannot predict. And the waterfall and the net plan is very good if you have predictable working packages.
Right.
But in the case, if you add a working package or multiple working package, so the method will increase in complexity. And for this, you need at least a team to manage this. And in my last company, we have a team of 4 where did all the net planning. So it adds a lot of complexity, a lot of overhead work. And with Kanban, you have the big advantage that this can manage the program itself. Even the people itself can manage it. You do not need an external net planner. Beside what I already told, is this time saving. So the overhead work is limited. It's very, very, I want to say only a small percentage then of the waterfall method and of the critical path method. So you have to spend less time in overhead. You can do your work where you're really paid for and not doing some bureaucracy work, which is even of no benefit because it changes everything. And this is a great point of Kanban. It is very flexible, it's adapt to your work. And okay, the other points is workflow automatization. So we have a lot of automated workflows. So the report for me is already generated by the team, and it will automatically, so you have, what is it, just-in-time control.
Okay, yeah.
And and the other benefit is I have a much more broader span because less of bureaucratic work. I can take care of more people than before. And also is, I think, a big point is focusing on the right thing. So this is effective. And this is because everything is visible. You have each project is visible within itself. Projects are visible overall. So that's a huge advantage. Okay, what we also do is risk management for the projects. But this you also can do with regular ones. And then we find out that is the best what we can adapt to an industrial research process, which is different to a software research process. That's one point. And the other point is you guys live what you say. So if we ask you questions, we get a response within minutes. With the other companies, it took 1 or 2 days. And that is a huge advantage because if you have 3 questions in a month and it takes 3 days and it is on the critical path, so the whole project will be shifted. And because of you guys act so quickly, so that's a huge advantage. And that was so the first criteria is Kanban software fits mostly to our industrial research process due to even during this time, you can produce initiatives and trials. It can be done by other softwares also, but not so elegant like in your software, much better. And the other was is your responsiveness. I think it is real time. You got real time information. We use what's it in English? The log time, also for looking for as a time recording tool for the taxes. We got some tax refund, and we're using it for that. And I think a great point is self-organizing, and I think also the hierarchy you can use and the agile numbers are really great. I think the agile numbers want to say how you proceeded, and so I have never seen in any other software like at this quality. So official figures is, for example, in one product, it is patent to product time. So it is when you ask for a patent application, that's patent office, this date is fixed. And if you introduce the product based on this patent to the market, then you have a span. And our span is around 4 years.
Mm-hmm.
Competitor span are around 10 to 15 years. And this is a key number where you can compare
absolutely.
and know internal numbers. So we are much faster, and I want to say we also step into new technologies where we have the big chemical company. They are also in, and we are much faster than these companies. And of course, we went on the CISU, it's a Bavaria Innovation Prize. No one or a pigment producer ever won this.